Yeah, Jen and Ben, President Biden is calling on his cabinet to come up with a way for the federal government to better support communities that are facing gun violence. Now, last year here in Connecticut, lawmakers established a committee to do that here, and now members of that committee want $20 million.
I think he's, following our lead.
Governor Lamont praising President Biden's executive action to combat gun violence. But the impact of the order announced Tuesday remains relatively unclear. The president says it's an effort to strengthen laws already on the books and ensure gun dealers conduct more background checks. Gun rights advocates at Connecticut Citizens Defense League say Biden's order sidesteps Congress and is not transparent.
Without language, people don't understand exactly what is in this, and that's a problem.
Saving lives from mass shootings and reducing urban gun violence could involve separate policy changes. Lamont says he's committed to both. Now, a push to fund programs specific to urban communities.
The grant appropriation needs to be at least $10 million in each year.
Last year, the State Department of Health was tasked with looking into urban violence as a public health issue. Organizers in Connecticut's largest cities that serve on that committee testifying in front of the Appropriations Committee recently asking Connecticut to invest $20 million to save lives.
The question is, how do we, how serious are we taking gun violence?
Reverend A.J. Johnson says he's grateful Lamont created a commission, but wants the state budget to invest $20 million in intervention and prevention programs.
To sustain these organizations that are trying to prevent and intervene, is going to take more money to do it. In Bridgeport, in Waterbury, in Hartford.
Johnson saw firsthand the toll of one of Hartford's most violent summers last year. He believes more lives could have been saved if more support went to organizations on the ground.
I do the funerals for 3-year-olds who've been caught in the crossfire. I've buried 16, 17-year-old men.
And Biden says he also wants Congress to enact a federal assault rifle and high-capacity magazine ban. I'm in studio, Samaya Hernandez, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station. Back to you, Jen and Ben.